On this week's episode of Footings to Finish, we're taking a look at the plumbing rough-in and the HVAC rough-in, which is just before we get to electric, on this gorgeous $2 million home here at Oakland Ridge Estates in Pelham, New Hampshire. The size of this garage is huge. We're taking a look at the electrical rough and all the upgrades the buyers are doing. I'm standing essentially where the stove will go in this home, and the buyers decided that they wanted a gas stove, so they needed an upgrade. This wire here goes all the way down to the basement, and it's for a makeup air system. You're probably wondering, how do they build homes in the snow? Well, first of all, we do build homes in the snow. So long story short, yes, you do need a buyer's agent for new construction. And if you're looking to build new construction in Southern New Hampshire or Northern Massachusetts, I'd love to get in touch and help you start the process. The siding continues in this gorgeous slate gray with a little bit of blue siding. We've got windows, we've got insulation. This project is really moving along. Today we're working on two kinds of insulation. The fiberglass insulation is going into the walls here, and then over here they're working on blowing in insulation up into the ceiling. This week we even got windows, so the whole front of the house had all of the windows installed. It's really coming along. The Hunter has a huge open concept living and dining room, along with a porch out to the side, a big giant bay window. Look at this thing. That dirt won't be there. And then if you look all the way up here, there's a really big open landing that leads up to the bedrooms upstairs. We're gonna take a look at finished siding on lot 6, and we're also gonna take a look at all the sheetrock that's being done to the interior of the home. The garage has been fully sheetrocked, and I think we're even gonna see sheetrock in the house. Let's take a tour of the second floor. We have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Beautiful picture window. As you can see, they've been working on prepping the house for painting. All the ceilings are done, and most of the walls are prepped, and we'll be getting ready to do a beautiful coat of paint, probably for next week. Hey, if you're loving this content, then why not subscribe to this channel, give it a like, share it with a friend. Hey, leave a comment, start a conversation. I'm Steph Saunders with T-Team at Compass, and tune in next week, Wednesdays at 5 p.m. for another episode of Footings to Finish.